Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have just reached 2,000 subscribers. I thank y'all for that. I got a giveaway I'm going to be showing y'all at the end. I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to do it yet, so y'all watch all the way to the end to see what I'm going to be giving away to one of my lucky subscribers. So let's get to it. Guys, Joy Tudis has come through for me one more time. I've been in collaboration with them for a little bit now. They've been sending me some products to review. I've had an issue in the summertime. I love running the Jeep without the half doors, without the back windows, and I take the back glass all the way out of it. So it's like a safari top. The only thing I have is on the very top. Anyway, they have sent me something to where when my neighbor's mowing the yard, it will no longer fill my Jeep full of dust. If it's going to get dusty inside there, I want it to be because I'm trail riding with the doors off or with the windows out. I don't want it to be because my son or my neighbor's mowing the yard and I forgot to put the glasses back in. So here's what they sent me today. They have sent me a car cover made for the Jeep TJ. I believe it will probably fit on a two-door JK. Anyway, this is all season proof. Rain, snow, summer heat. It'll go through all 4 seasons. It's a very thick material. They list it as a 150D. Not sure what the 150D is, but I can tell you that it's a thicker material. And I'm going to take it out of the bag right now. I've never put a car cover on. I wanted one for the Jeep so I could leave the top off and drive it to work in the summertime, come home, neighbor mowing the yard, and throw the car cover back on, keep the interior clean. All right. So, it's got its own bag. I wasn't aware of that. This is the first time you just seen me open the bag for the first time, the plastic bag. So let me see what this is all about. So it was the carrying bag I was filling earlier. Alright guys, I got the car cover open before I could get to the inside, and it's like I thought it would be. It's got like a felt coating on it so it won't scratch your paint. So what you need to do is make sure your vehicle is relatively clean before you put this on. That way the inside of this will stay clean and you can put it on and off without scratching your vehicle. So now that I have this opened up, I know where the inside's at. Let's get to putting it on the Jeep and see what it looks like. Alright guys, there's the Jeep cover installed, looking good. It's got these tie down straps right here that you can put through your wheel or wherever you want them at, and you can cinch them down as tight as you want them. It's got 4 of those. It's got this stretchy material that goes around the outside corners, and it holds it securely against my tire. You could go above your tire, but I'd rather have it down lower to keep the wind from blowing rain up under it and things. This side over here is more of the same. I've got it in the shadow, but looking really good. Will keep the dust out of my cab during grass mowing season. Okay guys, I wanted to stop here just to make mention in this next scene, I'm about to show you how much slack is in the car cover that I have on JJ. And I'll tell you about how I can fix it and tighten it up. That's not the problem. The reason I have so much slack, I wasn't thinking clearly, I would have brought it to the attention of y'all during the video is the reason it's got so much slack in it is I don't have a rear tire mounted on my tailgate. So of course the car cover just droops. It's too much slack there, and that's the side effect of me deleting the tire carrier and the tire. So anyway, I just wanted to stop and make mention of that. So let's get back to the video. And that's where I'm getting a little of this slack at from, and I believe I can I'm putting me a little eyelet through the material right there, like a metal ring, something to tie to. Put me a bungee ball on it, and I can pull it up under the bottom, keep it really good and tight. I believe a regular TJ and a JK will fill this slack up back here a little bit, but these straps will hold it down plenty good, keep it from going anywhere. Guys, that's my installation process of the Joy Tudis car cover. I thank y'all for stopping by today and watching. If you'd like to get one of these, go to their website and check it out. I'll have a link in the description below, and they may give me an Amazon link to one of their sellers where you can get it from Amazon and get it like super quick. I told you we've just reached 2,000 subscribers on my channel. Thank y'all so much for that. I didn't dream I'd have 2,000 subscribers. Years ago, I started this channel just doing some random stuff, and it wasn't growing. And then when I brought JJ along and got consistent with my videos, the channel started growing, and I thank y'all for that. I have another build I'm trying to purchase right now. I'm not going to go into any details because it might fall through. It's not set in stone at all right now. But to celebrate having 2,000 subscribers, I've got something behind me here I'm going to give to one of y'all. I have a second Joy Tudis car cover. I will put the rules and stipulations in a video early January because it's a holiday season. Christmas is this week, and the New Year's is next week, so that'll give me time to figure out exactly how I want to give this away. 2 rules I know of already. You have to live in the lower 48, and you have to own a Jeep 2-door Wrangler. Don't have to be a Wrangler, it could be a CJ. I believe this would fit on CJ just fine. But anyway, it's got to be a 2-door Jeep Wrangler of sorts. So if you got both of those, if you live in the lower 48 United States and you have Jeep Wrangler, Jeep TJ, come back early January. Wait for a video. I'll have a video up, and at the end of that video I will tell you the rules that we're going to play by to see who wins this car cover. Thank y'all for stopping by today. Y'all come back. I'll see you then. Yeah.